Alrighty, so I started off with some imitation crab meat. I threw that in like a chopper, so it'll be smaller, you know, chopped pieces. And then I added that into some, maybe 2 blocks of cream cheese. So 1 package of imitation crab to 2 blocks of cream cheese. And then we got some 1-ton wrappers. And then we wrap that mixture into there. I also put green onion into the mixture. So we got that going on and we fried it, and it was so delicious, guys. You guys must try this recipe. It is simple. It's just, a few ingredients, and it's so delicious. You guys must taste it. And today was just a day of hanging out with family and friends, and we just were cooking, and it was all about the food, cooking. And so I also did some stuffed jalapenos. I also used just cream cheese in them, and then I used some seasoning on that, and then I baked that until the jalapenos were cooked. I also made some meatballs in the air fryer again. It was good as well. And that's just the Okinawan sweet potato baked in butter. That was yummy. And some green salad, of course. Alrighty, guys, and so we finished off the night with some games and singing. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. We really appreciate you guys. You guys take care. God bless. See you all in our next video. Bye.